This conference will now be recorded.
Hey, hello everyone. So very good morning to all. So in today's session, we can discuss about CSS media queries. Right. Let us prepare the skeleton first. So what is the purpose of media query and all we will discuss now. So media query will play a vital role in our web application. How it will play a vital role? Generally, I created a website. I'm sharing you that website in your WhatsApp. Right, what is the best device you are using to watch that website? Definitely, if I send a message through your WhatsApp, definitely you will click the link in your WhatsApp. Definitely the link open in your mobile browser. Why? Because so that is immediate action. So where is our WhatsApp? In mobile? Automatically in mobile we may have a browser, so definitely the website will automatically open into mobile device. Exactly. So now whatever the website we created, okay, that website is fits to mobile device. Okay, I mean mobile device in the sense, 1 minute I will show you a small thing. Simply one word I just want to use called responsive web designing. What is a responsive web designing? That we need to check it, guys. 1 minute, let me go there. For example, I'm opening the following website. This is the website I'm opening. You can open any of the website, but you can check the website is in responsive or not as well. Okay, this is the website you are able to see, guys, here available. So if I scroll down or scroll up, this is the desktop preview. Now I'm viewing this website in desktop preview. Now I'm minimizing my screen. Can you see? I'm reducing the screen. Can you see? When you're reducing the screen, the content is getting all adjusted. Can you see the menu, the coordinator, logo, training, mobile number, email, address, and earlier the logo, go PHP training, and mobile number, email, and address and coordinator all are in one row. Now when I'm moving the screen slowly, reducing the screen size, now you can see they are all getting one by one. First logo, after that all three items are coming. Now you can see, now this is how exactly the things are going to be happen. Where is our menu? You can click this and this is our menu. Can you see all the menu items are also coming like this? So these are called mobile friendly websites. See the content earlier it was fitted to the desktop screen. Now when I'm reducing the screen, it should be fit automatically to the screen. I don't know which device the people are going to be used. The people may use any of the device. You can see we have a best option in Firefox to check the website is in responsive properly. Let me show you that in the Firefox browser. So our ultimate goal is we have to make our website responsive. Okay, na? Right. Okay. Just I'm running this. You can check this. In this Firefox browser, we have an inbuilt tool. By using that tool, we can verify the website is in responsive or not. You may see my website in desktop, or you can use mobile device, or you can use tablet, whatever it may be, right? Control Shift M. So this is the shortcut command, Control Shift M. Right now you can see the preview. This is the mobile preview. Can you see? Now if you can scroll down, you can see the content and everything was fitted to the screen. If you want, you can increase the screen like this. Now you can see the content all getting adjusted properly. They're adjusting the height and width and everything, they're getting adjusted. Now you can see the logo and all, everything also getting adjusted. Now you can see they're all in one row. Now you can see they're all in one row now. So they are in two rows right now. This is the two rows, go PHP logo and all. So this is here we can see the preview. Actually, this is the one inbuilt tool, 320 minimum width of the mobile screen. Now if we can see mobile rotate viewport in the sense, generally we can see mobile in vertical, or when you are watching videos you will turn the mobile horizontally. Now this is a horizontal preview and this is the vertical preview, something like this. Exactly we can do the things. Okay, so generally we cannot get the horizontal scroll bar, but this website is getting horizontal. Can you see this empty space, everything is we are getting empty space, but if you are getting that space, we can say this website is not in responsive. Generally in mobile device, always you can open a website vertical scrolling only, there is no horizontal scrolling in mobile. Keep it in, just you can check this. Whenever you're opening any website in the mobile, you will do vertical scrolling, but will you do horizontal scrolling also? No, definitely you cannot do horizontal scrolling. For example, you can open amazon.com, how you will scroll? So definitely vertical, top or bottom, not left right, right? Always top bottom we will scroll it. Left right it is not, if it is a left right scrolling is there, that is not responsive website. So you can see, a scroll bar is enabled, horizontal scroll bar is enabled, and if it is a horizontal scroll bar is enabled, I can say this is not in responsive. Always we can see the content vertically only, right? You cannot see the content like this exactly. Okay, you can't see this. This is very important thing, you have to keep it in mind. So whatever the website we are creating, that website should be responsive. The okay, one layout, we are going to create one small layout, that layout should be responsive. We, as of now, we created so many layouts as an assignment, right? Yeah, so everything we have to check like this, that is working fine in the mobile device, okay, otherwise we have to work with some other thing. Exactly. So let me do a quick design here. So meanwhile, I just want to give you, if possible, let me share you something here. So here to write the media queries, we have at media rule. This is, I think earlier we seen at keyframes rule for animation, right? At the rate keyframe rules, KEYFRAMES. All at the rate rules are coming under CSS3 guys here. So media queries are introduced in CSS2 actually. Animations are in CSS3. So at the rate media, this is exactly the syntax will be like this. At the rate media, I'm writing, just try to see, not or only, just I'm writing the syntax like this. So media type, this is going to be media type, and uh, actually what we can say expression. Okay, let us write expression or condition, whatever it may be, expression or multiple expressions also, whatever it may be, and whatever the CSS code you want, right? You can define the classes and you can define the IDs, you can define the element names, and we can write the classes for this. This is what exactly the thing. I mean, what is the media? This is the rule for defining the media query. Only not. See, for example, in this I want to split like this. Can you see? Now I'm taking not, now you can see not screen. I'm taking this as screen. Now you can see SSCREN screen. So what is the meaning of not screen? Generally, every website will be visible in a screen. If you set a not screen, these clauses will never applied on a screen. But if you can set this as a only, what is the meaning of only on screen? The style should be applied. Generally, every website will be watched by you in the screen only, right? So every website. So sometimes we can create a website for printing purpose also, right? So that is also valid here, right? You can take anything. This is exactly we can do. So generally we will write one external CSS, right? So in this external CSS, we can write all these media queries. Why? Because so media queries is not only for one page. How many web pages are there in your web application? For every page, we have to apply the media query. But it's always a good thing whenever you are writing a block of code, whenever you are designing some blocks, immediately apply media queries as well, not after some time. So after site has been completed, some people will apply media queries, but it's not a good thing. Why? Because sometimes you will get issues, you may not know what is the issue, why this is not working for responsive and all. We may not know. This is also the problem. See, this is one way. Like this we can write media queries, wait for some time, stick with this syntax. We can have other way also, we can do like this also. Generally, how can we link external CSS? Link relation equal to style sheet. This is exactly we will do. And here href is equal to, we have something called okay, let us take something called print.css. This CSS should work when print mode is open. Generally, when print mode will open, control P, if you can press control P, the print dialog will become on the browser. Now is it coming? So I think it is not coming up. right? So you can go and check some other browser, or else you can check, is it coming now? No, right? So let us go for content. Otherwise, close the window. Yeah. So now I'm pressing Control P, guys. If you can press Control P, what is this dialog is called? Print dialog, right? So whenever this dialog is opens, I want to apply some styles on this document. Can you see? These are the regular page you are able to see. I don't want to apply these styles here. I want to apply some other style for this layout. Can you see? This is something and this is something. No, I don't want to display the right side latest. I want to display only the body content. Like this, we can write some CSS styles also, guys. A lot of ways are there in the media queries, not in one way. So in this point of time, you can also do one thing. What is this exactly you can do? This is going to be, you can write media equal to, you can write media type. What is a media type, right? So media type, screen or print or something, guys, right? So only expression also we can write it. What is the meaning of it? This CSS file will work only under particular condition only. It will never work for every time. When we are printing, so print only I'm taking. Then what is the meaning of it? This CSS will load when you're trying to print the things. Otherwise, it won't work, guys, right? Exactly. So now let me write some media queries here. So minimum mobile width is 320. So maximum, uh, we don't know, you can consider it as a 32 inches TV or some other TV, whatever it may be. Everything we will measure it into pixels now. Now you can see, I will just show you a small scenario when this is going to be work. For example, this is the body. I'm not writing anything. Just you can go for styles, internal style, style style. Okay, style tag open, style tag close. In this style, we have to write some media, right? So exactly. Generally, I'm writing body. Try to see. I'm designing an element by using element name. So this is going to be background color. Background color is red right now. So if we can load this page, immediately we can see the background color red. Okay, this is the red background color we are able to see. But I want to uh, minimize the screen. So now actually, for example, this is the screen you are having. Okay, this is the screen you are having. If it is a 320, I want to display one background color. If it is 600, I want to display one background color. Now what shall we do in this point of time? Now you can see I'm writing a media rule at the rate media media. So here we have to write screen. I'm taking screen and only screen also we can write it, guys, no problem. At the rate media only screen. So only screen only this should be, otherwise it will be apply on everything. All right, only screen. And the expression is going to be max width. I'm taking the width like this, max max width colon, let me take 480 pixels. This is the max width I'm taking. What is the meaning of maximum width 480 pixels? In this point of time, you have to take it as a block of code. Exactly, every CSS classes will be go inside of it. So what is the actual background? Red. So when your screen is in this particular width, I want to add the background color something. Now I'm copying this background color. The background color should be green. I'm making this as a green. I'm making the color colon white. So I'm making the color colon white color. Can you see now exactly what is going to be happen? Now you can refresh. Are you applying green color anywhere? There is no green color. But when you are reducing the screen, can you see I'm reducing the size 480? Actually we set right maximum 480. What is the meaning of maximum 480? So for example, you want to purchase a product, you're asking your friend, what is the cost of this product? He don't know, has an idea, but he will say it may be maximum 500 rupees, it not more than that. I mean, what is the meaning of it exactly? Maximum 500 in the sense, it may be 500, it may be 400, it may be 300 also, right? Yeah, that is the meaning. I mean, the 480 below, exactly, at the rate media only screen max width 480 means 480 below devices pixels, guys. Width of the device is going to be 480. So 480 So below devices, that is called maximum. So if we can take min width also, we can take minimum 480, something like this. Minimum 480 means, so below we don't have anything. 480 after, that is called min. So I used max property. Just you can try to see. I'm reducing the screen. So now you can see when we reaches 480, the background color and the color of the text should be changes. Oh, it is not changing. Anything wrong? Is it 480? Let me make this as a 600 pixels. I'm making this as a 600, or okay, let us make 700. Maybe I don't know what is the reason it is not working for me. So let me go there. Okay, now I'm refreshing the page. Okay, still we have red color. Let me check this. So I'm minim. Oh, now it is applied, guys. Maybe this is earlier. Dot body is not required. It is not a class, na. I'm taking body element. I'm designing only as an element. Body is an element, right? If you have any class for the body, yeah, you can take the body class. But we don't have. So I'm using element selector. But did you observe when this is applying? So when your screen reaches maximum 700, I mean, so then the styles are going to be applied to it. So this is called response. So not only background color, we can do many things. Now you can check this. Now you can see when we are into that particular width, the things are getting applied automatically without doing anything. So now you can also do one thing, right, sir? I want to take at the rate. You can write like this also, guys. Try to see. One more media query I will write at the rate media only screen. We can take only screen, and now you can see min width 700. Try to see, guys, 700 pixels, and you can write like this also. Max width WRATH max width is going to be 900. I mean, what is the meaning of this exactly? This media query in between that particular screen range. So exactly, we are seeing either above or below. Now, if the screen is either in 700 or 900 pixels, in between this, I want to apply some background color to the body. Now you can see I'm going to take body. So you can take background color, you can take anything, no problem. This is going to be blue. So at this point of time, I want to take blue. Try to see how can we apply the media query. What you want to do in this particular screen. Generally, for every device, there are some measures. I will show you in the Google. Now you can check this. I'm going to scroll down. I mean, I'm expanding 700 and 900 above. It is blue. If you can go more than this is red. Now you can see it is in between that blue. So after that, it is below screen, above red, but in between the particular region. So you want to do something like this exactly. So this is how we can write the media queries. So here you can write min width also, we can write our max width also, we can write it. Whatever you want, we can write it. But we should know, as a responsive web designer, the device minimum widths of each and every device. Let me do one thing. CSS media queries. Okay, let us go for it. I want to find that I mean nothing. I want to find the device widths, guys. Actually, I'm looking for it actually. Right. Can you see? I think okay, this is enough, I believe. Let me copy this. Just you can try to see why I'm copying this and all. You will understand. Now you can see. So extra small devices, phone and 600 pixels and down. So medium down. I mean max 600 pixels down. What you want to do? Small devices, portrait tablets and large phones and 600 pixels and up. Right, guys? Can you see? This is above 600 pixels. Medium devices, landscape tablets and 768 and up. So this is the media query 768. So these are the some standard figures for the below, for the above. So now you can see large devices like laptops, desktop 992 pixels and up. Extra large devices like large laptops and desktop 1200 pixels. Now I'm using 1200 pixels, 1300 pixels laptop actually, 1360 pixels laptop width we are using actually. Okay, so this is how these are the some. See, don't worry about the media query, just try to read these comments. Extra large devices, large devices, medium devices, small devices, extra small devices. Extra small devices means our mobiles. So somewhat small devices means it may be tablets definitely. So medium devices means it will come under tablet, portrait tablets, whatever it may be, landscape, right? Landscape tablets or portrait tablet. So these are the media queries, some standard media queries in every, you can go to official website also, you can find some standard media queries here. Definitely, you will get the things clear, guys. Okay, this is what exactly the thing. This is the media queries. Okay, so don't worry. So just I will share you in the chat window, or you can go to some Google and you can write your own media queries also. But I can say one thing. So these are the media queries we copied from the Google. Okay, sir, is it standard? Am I need to follow the same media queries? It's not required at all. See, you can write your own media queries also. There is no restriction of copying the media queries from the Google, right? So you can take any of the media query, that is of completely your choice. It is not at all mandatory. So media query will work automatically in every browser. So for this, we don't want to do anything. So media query is introduced in CSS2 only. It is not 3. Maximum of the CSS3 properties we have to check with the compatibility. But I think this is CSS2 only now. Definitely, most of the browsers it will be work. See, one thing, Internet Explorer 10 below, 10 below, I think we cannot give the guarantee, but IE 11 and Edge browser today, Edge browser will almost all support everything today. So we don't have any problem in the Edge. So maximum of the people having Windows 10, so is using Edge browser, right? So we don't have any problem in that browser. So, but we need to check it. But unfortunately, if anybody using Internet Explorer 7 or 8 or 9, 10, we can't do. I mean, we have to test these in each and every browser version also. Generally, this testing will done by the testing team. They will use one concept, guys, here, browser stack. Browser stack library they will use to test this application in every browser and every version of each and every browser. So they will check with IE7. This stack will provide IE7, IE6, and everything they will be provided. There we can check it, right? Okay, but it's not a problem. Don't worry about it. So, but media query will work automatically in everything, right? So now what I want to do, let me do a quick template here. Let us see how this template will be displayed in the media. Let us write this as a media1.html. Just I will create one layout. You can also do one layout. Already we created so many layouts, right? So many layouts we created, but anyhow, I just want to take a div class equal to main. You can take class main. In this class main, I want to take 4 divisions actually. Div class equal to block 1 2 3 4. Okay, I'm taking 4 blocks. If you want, you can take more blocks also, or 6 blocks you want to take. Yeah, you can take 6 blocks. Okay, this is what I want to take it. Okay, great. So now you can see simple media query we will write it, guys. So in everything, if you want, you can take img src and title. I want to take title and image. Images slash, I'm taking this as a 10.png. H1 tag open close. H1 tag is not required. Go with the H5. So for this, some title will come here. Some title title will come here. This is exactly I want, right? Okay, na? Right. Now you can go and check this. So I'm copy pasting just the same. Just we are not having 8 exactly. I want to take intentionally only 6, but to make it responsive, right? Let us see how these 6 blocks should appear in the responsive. So in a normal device, how these should be applied in the thing, right? So all images are going to be there. If you can run the file media1.html, right? Execute this. These are the images you are able to see. Fine. Let me go for the CSS. I want to write star margin 0 for everything. Default margin I am removing. Sorry. Star with margin 0. So whatever the default thing we are having, that will be gone. Default margin for everything. Okay. Now we know that how can we align these items side by side. If you want, you can apply flex or display inline block, right? If it is a flex means to the parent, we have to apply display flex. Automatically everything will be aligned side by side. You want to set some width for the flex, now you can write now dot block. You can see dot block block. I want to set a flex width, flex 25% I'm setting. Now you can check this, all the things are going to be like this. So but if you can write the property flex wrap, WRAP wrap, if you can write a wrap, now you can see everything will be come like this, right? You can see how the content is going to be displayed. For everything, let me write some padding. So 10 pixels. I want to take some margin. Top, bottom 10 pixels, left, right 0 pixels. I want to take it. Now you can check this. This is exactly the gap between the elements, guys. Exactly, they are going to be like this. So we have some properties are there. What are the properties are there? So for everything, you can take some border also, so that it will be very clear for you. Border, 1 pixel, solid, red. I'm just going to take some border. Now you can see this is all the content we are able to see, right? So text align center also can be write text align center. So everything should be in the center. That's the intention of it. Okay, this is all the thing. Okay, fine. So what we want to do exactly here. So now you can write here, there is a property justify content, na? Justify content, content, justify content, space, space between, between, space between. Okay, right. Just if you can run this. So this is all about the thing. But you can see when you are minimizing the screen, when you are reducing the screen, now you can see they're all two. Right now you can see something like this, they're all coming. So because you given flex property, almost all everything will be very clear for you, right? You can see. So the same you can execute in Firefox browser also. Now you can see if it is a small device, if it is a medium device, now you can see everything is one right now. They see how they are adjusting because of the flex. Now you can see when I'm increasing the screen, they are all automatically getting adjusted. Now you can see 2 2. Now you can go there 3 3. Now they're all getting adjusted properly now. So if it is a flex, we don't have any problem. Now you can see I want to do this not by using flex. I want to go right. You can remove this for a while. You can try with this. If there is no flex, you have to use width property. Definitely width. I'm taking this as a 22 percentage. Okay, 22 percentage. Now you can check this. Now all are coming like this. If you want to make them side by side, you have to use width proper display inline here. Display inline should be always applicable on the child only. Inline block. Okay, this is going to be inline block. Okay, just refresh the page. Now you can see this is how they are aligning properly side by side. So when you are reducing the screen, did you see? Will they aligning one by one? Now you can see they're all coming like this. No. In this point of time, I want to see 2 per row, but 3 per row, but they're not looks good. So some point of time, I want to make 1 per row only. At this point of time, what we will do, this is we written, right? So simply, I'm writing media query, try to see. At the rate media, only screen, and you can write maximum width 600 or 500. 600 we can take it, no problem. In the 600 below, what you want to do, right now you can see 600. I am writing this exactly the media query dot block dot block block. For this block, what is the styles you written there on the top of it? Exactly, you written this, right? So I don't want to, everything is same, width and everything is same, but I want to make it display block only. Now you can see what is going to be happen. Display block. If it is a normal screen, it should be inline block. But in this particular point of time, it should not be side by side. It should be one by one. That's why I'm writing the property display block. Now can we go and check this now? Now this is the actual thing. But 600 below, you have to check it, right? Reduce the screen. Now you can reduce the screen 600 below. Now you can see 676. Slowly I'm coming here. Now you can see 630, 612. Now you can see exactly they're all one by one, right? They're all one by one. And width of this also should be 100% this point of time. If it is one by one, na, the width should be 100%. Every block in this particular resolution, now you can see every block width is 100%. Now you can check this exactly. Every block width is 100% in the 600. So how do you know this is 600? Can you see here? That figures here 552, and this is the height and this is the width of it. So when you're reducing this, the value is incrementing. Can you see? Now it is all 600 below what you want to do. Okay, not 600. Okay, 400. If you want to take 400, yeah, you can take 400. Okay, for me. Now I'm just going to take 400. If it is a 400 below, it should be one by one. And with 100% I provided, but because there is some margins and paddings and everything is there now. So that's why I don't provide 100%. Take it as a 98%, and you can check this. So 98, 97, because almost all padding and everything we provided there. That's why I'm reducing little bit. Okay, you can check this now. I think you are able to see now. So this is what exactly, if it is reducing the screen, okay. Why this horizontal scroll bar is coming? That's the point here, a very, very important thing. So why we are getting horizontal scroll bar? Let me write padding 0 in this point of time. Refresh the page. Now you can see the horizontal scroll bar also gone this time. There is no scroll bar. Because of, that's the reason we have to check initially what is the property causing me to make horizontal scroll bar. You cannot see the horizontal scroll bar, you have to see always vertical. Okay, 400 and 600 above, guys. Try to see. Now my media query should be 400 and 700 between. I want to make two per row. All right, 400 and 700. Now you can see one more media query we have tried it here. This is all your choice. What is the size of the media and all, your choice. Now you can see at the rate media only screen, and now you can see maximum width. I will continue from 401 pixel. Can you see what I am doing exactly? Already up to 400 we have. From 401 to 700. Now you can see. And min width. Min width. Sorry. Min width. This is first. Min width. Min width 401 and max width is going to be 700. Max width 700. It should be in the bracket. Max width is 700 pixels. So in this point of time, what you want to do for the block. Now you can see the same clause, guys. I have only one. If you have multiple, then multiple will come into the every media query. This is display inline block. Again, it should, in this point of time we have to get a 2 now. So that's why inline block inline block. The width of everyone is going to be, I'm just providing you this as 45 percentage. Okay, let me check this 45 percentage and padding 0. Can you see this point of time they become two side by side? Now in this point of time they're one by one. In the second 400 and 700 below they are 2 by 2. After that they are 3 by 3. So and 700 and above, if you want, right, max width 701 plus. Right now you can see. So this is the final. So at the rate media only screen. So this is going to be end. Now you can write min width 700. Minimum 700 means 700 above. 700 and above pixels. Right, what is this is going to be 701 pixels above. Like this we can write always. Why? Because already 700 stopped there, right? Right. So this is minimum 700 and above means 700 to onwards. 700, 700, 800, 900, like this, what you want to do for this block. So actually what we can do, whatever the, okay, even if you can write it, no problem. So even if you cannot write, no problem. Why? Because these media queries will work if the screen is under 400, if the screen is between 401 and 701. If these are out of, I mean, if these reached, this will be applied automatically. This will be applied automatically. In the 400, this will be applied. 400 and 700, this will be applied if that screen reaches out of it, and this is going to be applied automatically by default. Now you can see, now you are 700 below, now 22 700 and above, the parent will be applied. What is the parent styles you written, right? That is going to be applied to you here exactly. So this is how the content will be works for you. Media queries, this is how we can apply the media query. Still you want to write some background color to the body, so I written only one property now. You written only one property. Now I want write one more to the body. Can you see now? BODY body. Now you can see body. There is no class for the body. We can write multiple properties in every media query. Keep it in mind, not only one property. So whatever you want to make it responsive, you can write everything here. So what is outside, what is inside of the media query. Now you can see I'm little bit writing background color is going to be TOMATO, tomato, something I'm writing. Can you see? Are you getting tomato background color? So when you will get tomato background color here, when this is 400 below, now you can see the background color is changes. The background color is changing. So this color is I don't want required sir hash EF, some light gray color. Yeah, you can see light gray color. You can go with more. Now this is white color. Now you can see 400 below only the color will be come like this. So that too I want to make everything into center, right? Exactly. This is how we can check the things. So the same body I want to apply here also. This is going to be the body. I want to make something called hash D4 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 something. I'm applying the D4 color. Now you can see 300 below. Now you can go and check this. Now you can see the color is changing this time. So I mean what I want to tell you finally, in every media query, whatever the media queries you are writing, I don't know, you can write any number of CSS properties. Right now, we don't have very big designs here. So we have simply 6 blocks are there to design them, right? Exactly. So if it is the same guys, you can see now I want to go with the flex grid system. Now you can see I'm taking this as a media 2.html. Now you can see, so this is you taken with the display. Now if it is a flex grid system, we don't require anything, right? Now you can remove this and you can remove this. Now you can see I am removing, just I'm keeping media queries only, right? So now if it is a flex grid system, display inline block is not required. So in this width, we will write flex width, definitely flex width 22% or 25%, whatever you want, write it. Always we will write to the parent only now, dot main. So if it is a dot main, only thing display block, display flex, display flex flex. This is exactly we will do. So flex wrap, if you want, you can write the flex wrap also, wrap wrap. That's all. Now you can check this. Everything will be adjusted properly. This is media 2 now. Okay, run this file. If you can run this, now can you see the content is all getting adjusted, right? When you are minimizing the screen also, we don't have any problem. The content will be get adjusted automatically. In this point of time, it is coming 2 by 2 now. Now you can see the same in the Firefox. Now you can check this. In this point of time, they're all in 1 by 1. Can you see? Automatically they are adjusting. We didn't write single story in the media query. That is a flex grid system advantage. They're all getting adjusted properly based on the things. You did not write anything here. So that is getting adjusted properly. Now you can see this is 2 by 2. Now they are all 2 by 2. Now if you can minimize, it is all 1 by 1 right now. You can see this is all 1 by 1. So if it is a flex grid system, can you see, did you written anything here? No, we didn't written, but sometimes we have written. But right now we have only simple one block only, na? One section only. For this one section, we didn't write anything. Just if you can write like this will work automatically. It will work as per responsive also. But sometimes we have to, blocks are okay. Blocks are aligning properly. We have to change the font sizes. We have to change the font families and everything we have to change. Some situations. Okay, at this point of time, I won't write font size. Okay, let me write the property. H4, we have H4, H5. H5 is there. Let me write this color golden red. I'm just going with the color red. In this point of time, H5, I just want to take some color colon green. Okay, now you can see. You can go to this browser. What is the color of H1? Now you can see H1 color is completely red in this point of time, right? So 300, right? 300, now it is red. When we are crossing 400, now you can see color turn to green color. So, but the divs we don't want to adjust actually. Divs are getting adjusted properly. And you want to make some font sizes, font weights, you want to make it here in the media query. Yeah, we can do like this also. I want to make font size 20 pixels in this point of time. So I want to make font size already we have 18 pixels. I want to make it. Now you can check this 18 and 20. Now you can see if you can bit go down, it will be 400 below. Now you can see this is exactly something. Still you want to reduce this to 16 pixels, by default 16 pixels only. Right now you can see exactly. Now if we can go there, font size is getting increases, but we don't want to adjust the divisions. Why? Because the divisions are getting updated, are very clear, so we don't have any problem in these divisions, guys. Exactly, right? So let us set margin 10 pixels all four sides, but I want to make some gap between all the four boxes. Now you can see gap between, earlier top bottom gap maintained, now you can see gap top and bottom all four sides is the same gap we are able to maintain here. So this is called responsive web media query, right? So by using these media queries, let us see how can we create a layout, okay, that we can see. Guys, tomorrow are you available? If you're available, we can take it, otherwise we can continue Monday. What do you say?